Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Grand Theft Auto V Enhanced. First, make sure you own the enhanced version for your current generation console, such as PlayStation 5 or Xbox Series X. Install the game, which usually requires over 100 gigabytes of storage space. Once installed, launch the game and choose between Story Mode or Grand Theft Auto Online. The enhanced version provides significant visual upgrades and performance improvements, making the experience much more immersive. To begin your adventure, dive into Story Mode first. This introduces you to the three main protagonists and the sprawling world of Los Santos. Focus on completing the early missions, as they serve as a tutorial for game mechanics and unlock new areas and activities. Take time to practice driving different vehicles and mastering the combat system. Understanding the controls is crucial for enjoying the vast open world and its many challenges. The enhanced version brings several exciting improvements. You'll notice significantly faster loading times, getting you into the action quicker. The world feels more alive with increased pedestrian and vehicle density. Don't forget to check out how Special works for exclusive vehicle upgrades and performance enhancements. The improved reflections and expanded draw distances truly make Los Santos look more vibrant and detailed than ever before. Enjoy the visual fidelity. Once you're comfortable with Story Mode, jump into Grand Theft Auto Online. Here, you can create your own character and join millions of other players in a dynamic online world. Engage in thrilling missions, competitive races, and elaborate heists with your friends or other players. There's always something new to do, from running businesses to customizing your properties. For more great deals and the link to those amazing socks, check the description below.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.